Intro! It's my intro. We've been working together for what, a year?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nearly, yeah, about a year now.
You've obviously loved that.
Yeah. Yeah, but I have, yeah. Yeah. It's been good, it's been good fun.
And throughout that year I've been hearing kind of different things that are going on for your company that you've set up.
We're doing a campaign called Aspire Campaign, and we think that there needs to be more disabled sports shown on TV. For example, there's straight after the Wimbledon, there's the wheelchair tennis. Now that's not being shown.
Yeah.
That's not being shown at all.
What's kind of the main message that you're trying to get out there to the young people?
Trying to get away from the stereotypical disabled person. Yeah. And try and say, look, yes, I'm in a wheelchair, but I can still live life.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you did a video recently
Yes.
about access in
Yes.
Bath in general.
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about that a little bit, because that's super interesting.
It was a challenge. I want to go around the UK and do these different challenges. It's basically going around Bath and trying to see how accessible different places are in Bath. Had a few difficulties, but I won't say what they are. But yeah,
You have to watch the video
exactly
to find out. Over the past year, obviously we've been working together doing this after school drop-in. Mm-hmm. Is there sort of one particular thing that stands out?
These sessions I feel have been really useful for them just to share what and have someone there for them to talk to. And that's the whole point. That's the whole point of youth work, is for them to be able to have someone there who they can actually talk to and trust and be able to share what they're feeling. So
cool. Well, it's been awesome working with you.
It's been good.
The past year. Who knows? Maybe next year as well. We'll see what the future holds.
Exactly.
But yeah, we'll definitely be excited to hear about the way your company's going and the news on that. So thanks, mate, and let me finish by offering you a Haribo cola bottle. It's a good choice.